Okay, kids, let's count some more. We done 1 to 20, let's explore. Now Stanley the Pup is back in town. From 21 to 40, let's break it down. 21, 22, let's start the fun. 23, 24, we're not yet done. 25, 26, wag your tail. 27, 28, we're on the trail. Numbers grow like a tree so tall. Let's keep climbing, we won't fall. Count with Stanley, 1 by 1. Counting's easy when it's fun. From 21 to 40's door, let's keep counting more and more. 29, 30, now we're on a roll. 31, 32, take control. 33, 34, hop around. 35, 36, what a sound. 37, 38, clap your hands. 39, 40, take a stand. We've counted up so high today. Now let's cheer hip, hip, hooray.
You did amazing. That was great. Thanks for singing with me today. Until next time, keep learning and woof, 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 whooping.